From the studios of the Republic Media Network, you're watching Arnab Goswami live on The Debate.
Good evening and welcome. At around 9:15 p.m. last evening, a 4-year-old child somewhere in Rajouri was playing and having dinner with his family. His aunts, his uncles, parents, grandparents were all there. And the grenade was thrown at them. Their house has been completely destroyed. Ladies and gentlemen, the family members, many of them are battling for their lives. And the 4-year-old child, Veer, died. There are pictures that will break your heart, ladies and gentlemen, of members of this family. They are crying and pleading while being taken on stretchers, grievously hurt, bleeding, saying, "Save our child. Mere bacche ko bacha lo." The child could not be saved. But tonight, viewers, there is pin-drop silence from both the lobby and, unfortunately, most of the so-called national media. They don't want to report in detail or make much of a noise about this incident, about the cold-blooded murder in a terrorist act of a 4-year-old child. Why? Is it because this child's uncle is a BJP leader? Why is there no outrage tonight? Is it because this child, this 4-year-old, is the nephew of a BJP leader? Is that the reason why? Why doesn't Mehbooba Mufti, along with the Congress, Vadra Congress, National Conference, march in protest in Srinagar and in Delhi? They protest every day over non-issues like Pegasus. But when a 4-year-old innocent child is killed, they're all quiet. Not one word. Because it doesn't suit their agenda. Because raising this, they fear, may give political mileage to somebody else. Does the targeted killing of a 4-year-old child not matter in this country today, viewers? I'm asking you. I'm asking all of you viewers tonight. And why don't you, viewers, start questioning these people in the Lutyens media and the mainstream media? Why don't they debate this tonight? Why don't they report this in detail tonight? Why do they bury this and not focus on this? The murder of a 4-year-old child in a terrorist incident. They'll discuss everything, inanities. Rahul Gandhi's latest ridiculous tweet will be their biggest issue, but not the murder in a terrorist incident of a 4-year-old child, the attack on an entire family. Does that not deserve more than a 10-word tweet, viewers? Let's accept it. BJP leaders are being systematically targeted in Kashmir, and why should it matter whether they are BJP or Congress or National Conference or any other party? The fact is tonight, viewers, that as ghastly as the attack is the national silence over it. The cowardly silence over it. The unacceptable silence over it, ladies and gentlemen, but Republic will not be silent. We are raising this because in our view, this is the most ghastly, worrying and important development we need to debate. And that is, ladies and gentlemen, what I am leading with tonight. That is my lead tonight, viewers. And I want you to take a position on it. A 4-year-old killed in a terrorist incident, not a word from the lobby. Debate number 2 tonight. Pakistani terrorists gunned down in Kulgam. Why won't Pakistan take back the body of their own man, their own citizen, their own terrorist? Pak take the body, and debate number 3 tonight. Rahul Gandhi tweets the identity of a rape victim and then gives a moral lecture. That's debate number 3, and here are the headlines. Here are the headlines this Friday evening on the Debate Tonight. In the most brutal attack by terrorists in Rajouri, a BJP leader's family targeted. His 4-year-old nephew has been killed.
अगर पाकिस्तान अपने बॉडी को क्लेम करता है तो जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस देने को तैयार है, हम लोग उसको दे देंगे.
After neutralizing terrorists in Kulgam, police says if Pakistan wants to claim the dead body of their own terrorists, we are ready to give it. Absurd claim after being blocked by Twitter for revealing a rape victim's identity. Rahul Gandhi says this is an attack on democracy. Twitter shunts its MD Manish Maheshwari out of India amidst the ongoing controversies. 55 state-of-the-art weapons and 55 pistols, along with many rounds of cartridges recovered by the Delhi police ahead of Independence Day. And Taliban continues its bloody and brutal march towards Kabul. Ladies and gentlemen, last night, a 4-year-old boy was killed by terrorists in a grenade attack. Nothing can be more inhumane, nothing can be more heart-wrenching, nothing can shock our conscience more. But the entire national mainstream media, it seems, the activist groups, the Human Rights Brigade, all the opposition parties largely have maintained a pin-drop silence over it. And the silence speaks the loudest. Let's debate.
One minor has lost his life in the deadly terror attack that has taken place yesterday evening at around 9:30 when terrorists hurled a grenade from this very building to that place where the BJP worker along with his family was sitting, and later they were rushed to the hospital where a minor has lost his life. We are told that nephew of the BJP leader lost his life.
Here the BJP leader, an ex-army man, plead even on the stretcher to save the little child.
मेरे बच्चे को बचाओ, डीसी को बोलो मेरे लिए बच्चे के लिए हेली मंगाए.
Here the devastated mother of the 4-year-old who was killed by terrorists.
8:30 9 बजे का टाइम था. मेरा कोई बेटा इधर ही खेल रहा था. खेलता उसने मोबाइल ऐसे पकड़ा, मोबाइल लेके उधर खेल रहा था. परे चारपाई पे उधर लेटा हुआ था और उधर से किसी ने ब्लास्ट किया और मेरे सोन इधर लगी और उसने क्या बिगाड़ा, किसी का क्या बिगाड़ा था उसने, मेरे सोने पुत्र ने. छोटे बच्चे को कहाँ देखते, उन्होंने तो पूरे परिवार को ही उड़ाना था, छोटे बच्चे को कहाँ देख रहे थे.
Watch how Jasbir Singh's father, distraught and drenched in blood, describes the grenade attack.
आर्मी का फायदा उठाने के लिए घर के मकान के ऊपर से बम पड़ा, हम बाहर बैठे थे ड्यूटी में.
5 others have been injured when a grenade was lobbed towards the residence.
खाने की तैयारी में थे तो इतने में ग्रेनेड फेंका गया। ग्रेनेड की वजह से 5 आदमी उनके जख्मी हो गए। एक बच्चे की तो जान इधर से ही चली गई थी, एक गर्दन के पीछे ज़्यादा गहरी चोट लगी तो सिर में लगी, और उसकी जो माँ है जसवीर की माँ, उसके पूरा ये पीठ में, और जसवीर को ये पूरे ये जगह में आगे वाले हिस्से में, छोटा बच्चा उसके कमर में।
ये देखिए, ये था वो एक्सप्लोजन जो रात को हम लगातार यहाँ ग्राउंड ज़ीरो से दिखा रहे थे कि ग्रेनेड जो है वो फेंका गया ठीक सामने से। उस तरफ अगर दिखा पाएँ तो वहाँ से ग्रेनेड जो है वो दागा गया, और ग्रेनेड जो है एकाएक यहाँ पर आकर लगा। ग्रेनेड लगातार जो है एक काफ़ी ज़्यादा नुकसान यहाँ पर पहुँचा।
The Rajouri Police Commissioner has said the administration has started work.
एक बच्चे की डेथ हुई है, 6-7 लोग ये इंजोर हुए हैं, और इसके बाद एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ने अपना जो है काम शुरू कर दिया। इन्वेस्टिगेशन इसकी चल रही है और हर जो क्लूज है, जो इनपुट्स हैं वो लिए जा रहे हैं।
And now massive searches have been launched by Jammu and Kashmir Police along with the Indian Army and CRPF in the nearby areas to nab those terrorists who were behind this attack, and they are also now finding out the call details of this specific area.
The BJP has condemned the attack.
कायर पाकिस्तानियों की ये बौखलाहट है। जो भी इस हमले में, इस साजिश में शामिल होगा, उसको जमीन के पाताल से भी ढूंढकर मौत के घाट उतारेंगे।
But the lobby that outrages at the drop of a hat, the Bleeding Hearts Brigade, those who rush to demand human rights for terrorists, not a word has been uttered. Lutyens has creeped into silence tonight. Let's debate.
On the debate tonight, we have Nalin Kohli, national spokesperson of the BJP, Lalit Ambardar, well-known Kashmiri activist, Sahil Bashir Bhatt of the J&K LJP, Barnali Basak, advocate, Ahmad Ayaz, political analyst, Sarfaraz Wani from Srinagar, Sajjad Hussain Kargili, member of the Kargil Democratic Alliance, and Syed Fazal Kashani. Thank you everyone for joining us tonight. We have also got Nirmal Singh, former Deputy Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, joining us tonight. Nirmal Singh ji, पहले आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, my first question is to you. This targeted killing of a 4-year-old child, इस पर जो कश्मीर की सारी पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं और पूरे भारत में जिस तरह का एक आउटरेज होना चाहिए था, गुस्सा तो लोगों में है, वो क्यों नहीं है? आज मुझे लगता है कि इस पूरे घटनाक्रम को, ये जो इंसिडेंट है, this attack on the family of a BJP leader in which a 4-year-old child has died in Rajouri, I feel इसको दबाया जा रहा है. It is deliberately being played down. ऐसा क्यों? किसी और देश में एक 4 साल के बच्चे को टेररिस्ट अटैक में, टारगेटेड किलिंग में अगर 4 साल का बच्चा मारा जाता तो पूरे देश भर में आक्रोश होता. और भारत में, भारत की मीडिया, भारत के कई सारे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, भारत की लॉबी सब चुप है. ऐसा क्यों? भारत में और कश्मीर में भी.
Arnab ji, this is the tragedy of Jammu and Kashmir. Because this is the occasion when the whole Jammu and Kashmir is crying. आम जनता जो है इससे चिल्ला रही है, लेकिन जो सेक्युलर गैंग है, जो टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग है, ये जो है बिल्कुल चुप्पी नहीं साधे हुए किसी न किसी तरीके से इस सारी बात को कश्मीर के मसले के साथ जोड़ रहे हैं. कि कश्मीरियों से बात करो, ये करो, पाकिस्तान से बात करो. This is very unfortunate. This is condemnable. This is the time when a 4-year-old child who has been killed in a grenade attack, this would have been condemned by one and all. But this is unfortunate that these people, not only they are silent, but they are playing politics over this, the murder of 4-year-old boy. We condemn it.
So why is there so much silence over it, Lalit Ambardar? Why? It's almost as if it never happened.
I'll explain it to you, sir. I'll explain it to you, sir.
I can't
and
hear
for
Lalit.
the benefit of your viewers, let
Yes,
me tell
please.
you this. Okay. Am I there? Am I there? Okay. This is a very dangerous situation, Arnav sir. This is not Kashmir Valley. This is Jammu, southwest of Pir Panjal. Kashmiri jihadists have tried all these 30 years since the advent of Kashmir Jihad to penetrate and spread their venomous tentacles in Jammu area. They executed massacres of Hindus in Kishtwar, Doda and Bhadrawa area. Now this attack coming today, this is Rajouri in Jammu province. You know, today after the ethnic cleansing and genocide of Kashmiri Hindus in Kashmir 30 years ago, Jammu today is the northwestern demographic border of India. A targeted killing in Rajouri is a reminder that Jihad, Kashmir Jihad is alive and they're spreading. And let me also remind you, I am recalled of the mass massacre of Kashmiri Hindus in Nadi Marg in 2003. 24 Hindus were massacred. Two of them were two small kids. The jihadis were retreating. The jihadis were retreating. When they heard the cries of a little child, they returned back. They returned back and said, "Ek adura kaam reh gaya hai. I have finished. There is an unfinished agenda." The jihadi Lashkar-e-Taiba jihadi returned, emptied his AK-47 rifle in that small head. Today it's not cowardice, it's barbarity that you see in Afghanistan,
this
that you
is
see in
a
Syria.
4-year-old child has been killed.
And
he has become victim of the Kashmir situation. And you are still talking about jihad and jihad.
Lalit Ambardar, just 1 minute. Ahmad Ayaz, I want to. Ahmad Ayaz, 1 minute, please. A question to you. Lalit, 1 minute. Lalit, please wait. And when I say wait, please wait. Ahmad Ayaz.
Tell me.
Now, either you have come with a prepared speech or you will answer my question. I think it is better if you answer my question. All of you, Sarfaraz, Ahmad Ayaz, Syed Fasal have come with a prepared speech because, allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. Allow me to complete. I'm short on patience today. You all come with a prepared speech because you know that if I bring you to talk about the killing of a 4-year-old child, a minute, Ahmad Ayaz, I don't want you to raise your voice. It doesn't behove you to raise your voice. You're a senior man. Now please listen to me. The question is this, and you will be on the debate now. My question is, no. I'll get Nalin to debate with you. Now see, Mr. Ayaz, if you don't listen to my question, we will not be able to debate this, okay? I want to run the pictures, Anand. For a moment, viewers, forget the nature of this debate. Forget. Just 1 minute. Don't save me the fake aggression. I'll want to run the pictures, viewers, today, and I will repeat it again and again and again and again and again. I will repeat it because the rest of the media is not telling you the truth. I will show these pictures of where the attack happened. I will repeat the pictures of the place where the 4-year-old was killed, the innocent child. I will show you again pictures of family members going into hospital, Anand. Can we play those pictures, please? This is the spot where it happened. These are family members, his uncle being taken on a stretcher, grievously hurt. He's shouting, pleading, saying, "Mere bacche ko bacha lo." A 4-year-old child has died and he was killed because he's the nephew of a BJP leader. They don't want me to talk about this. And Nalin Kohli, truth be told, they don't want to talk about it. They do not want to talk about the killing and murder in a terrorist activity of a 4-year-old child. They will try to avoid it in the course of the debate. They will generalize the issue. I don't want everyone on the screen now, Anand. When I wish to, I will say, I am making a point clearly. They will generalize it tonight. You know why? They will generalize it tonight because by generalizing it, they can avoid the specific question. And what is the specific question? A 4-year-old child called Veer died. There were 7 people in the house. He succumbed to his injuries. A 4-year-old succumbed to his injuries. By the time he reached the government medical college hospital, he was dead. The body was handed over to the family for last rites. The national media decided to black this out. Opposition parties decided, let's put out a 10-word tweet and hope that the rest of the country does not talk about it. Ahmad Ayaz will say tonight, Nalin, that the moment Arnav asks me a question on this, I will talk about the general situation in Kashmir. I will talk about the general failures of the government. I will talk about the general security issues, but I will not talk. I will not talk specifically about the killing of a 4-year-old child. Nalin, that's the strategy. I will not allow that strategy to be successful. Viewers, will we allow this strategy to be successful? No, we will not. We cannot. Now tell me, Ahmad Ayaz, tell me. Now my question to you. Why was the 4-year-old child killed? No. Why was the 1 minute, don't shout. Listen to the question. Question is, the 4-year-old child died because his uncle is a BJP leader. True or false?
It's not a question of BJP. It is a question of one who is in the politics. For that purpose, every Kashmiri is unsafe.
So those who are in politics, children must die.
You can't call it just BJP.
No, those who are in politics deserve to die, and children and their family members deserve to die. I can't believe what you say.
That is what I said.
That's what you're saying. Yes, I know.
On 5th, the whole media in Kashmir. The whole media, national media in Kashmir was calling, everything is normal. They were reporting from Srinagar, everything is normal.
What are you talking about?
What is it happening that a 4-year child has become victim of
why was a 4-year-old child killed? Why was a 4-year-old child killed? Debate with Nalin. Debate with Nalin. Why was a 4-year-old child killed?
Go to the Lalit Kohli. That question.
Why was a 4-year-old child killed?
That question.
Why Nalin Kohli carried out the attack?
Why a Kashmiri is killed? Why a sitting government Kashmir is killed?
I'll answer that.
You are sitting there in the Delhi end. Why Kashmir is becoming a battlefield? Why have they made the Kashmir battlefield for their petty politics, bloody politics? Why are they not seeing
I can explain that very carefully.
Why was a 4-year-old child killed?
Have you finished, Mr. Ayaz? Have you finished, Mr. Ayaz?
Nalin Kohli should reply.
Why don't we address each one of them?
I have
heard you, Mr.
I am not finished yet.
In fact, I need to point out a few things. You will never finish because for 70 years it's the same allegation. For 70 years, the attempt to build a false narrative. For 70 years to play a victim card, which incidentally all terrorist organizations, whether it's ISIS, whether it's anyone else, they all do. The Al-Qaeda. We are the poor victims, so we picked up bombs. That's why we go out, we kill people. That's why we kill others. And by the way, we are all messengers of peace. I mean, this is the most hypocritical, most duplicitous, most inhuman, and I'll say it bluntly without being a practitioner of Islam, this goes against your own religion. That people misuse your religion to kill others and give a victim card and say this is it. Why is he killed? Because he's a BJP member. Why is he killed? Because he's a Hindu. Why no? I'm not miskinding. I'm speaking the truth. This is against also.
The responsibility of the government is the day to protect the interests of the people.
One minute. What responsibility of the government? So is that the responsibility of the government in Syria? Is it the responsibility in Lebanon? Is it the responsibility in Beirut? It's happened in Iran, it's happened in Iraq, it's happened in other places in North Africa, it's Boko Haram in Nigeria, it happens in Morocco, it happens in Tunisia. All of them, everywhere there's a government to blame, but somehow there's a common link of a set of people who have decided that violence is their answer, political problem, with this problem, and you all are borrowing a script based on, I'm sorry to say, you are borrowing a script based on an agenda. You don't have anything to do with the people of Jammu and Kashmir. If you cared,
we are unsafe in Kashmir, and you have made the battleground.
You are not safe in Kashmir, then find a safer place.
Why has a 4-year-old child been killed?
Find a safer place. Who's stopping you? You are a citizen
it
of
is
India.
you.
Move out of
It
Jammu
is
and
you
Kashmir.
because
India is
of
a
your
free
politics
country.
we are
You
becoming
are a
safe.
citizen of India.
Because
You
of
have
your
driven out the
politics.
Hindus and you are still not safe.
Point
I
is,
find
it
this
is not a
amazing.
jihad. It is
You all
not a
have-
jihad.
you all have
It is
bred
not
the
a jihad.
snake.
It is not a jihad. You
By
call
this
it.
agenda,
By
you all have
lecture.
bred the snake,
It is a question people
and the
are
snake
using
is
guns
biting
on.
everybody.
People are using
As simple as
bombs.
that.
Where from
Till
these
you all
bombs have
do
come?
not
Where
understand.
from the
No, why
American
was-
has come?
no, no, one-
Where
Terrorism
from
is
this
a threat
weaponry
to
has come?
humanity. Till you do not stop
Sarfaraz Wani, Sarfaraz Wani, Sarfaraz Wani, Sarfaraz Wani, 1 minute. Ahmad Ayaz, don't shout, don't shout. Sarfaraz Wani, Sarfaraz Wani, I come to you now. Ahmad Ayaz, I place on record now, 1 minute, 1 minute. Viewers on multiple occasions in the course of this debate. No, Lalit, Nalin, just look at them today. I am only asking one question about the killing of a 4-year-old child. Though I must say, 5 members of BJP leader Jasbir Singh's family were injured. The 4-year-old child died. And they don't want to talk about why the 4-year-old child became the casualty. Because the 4-year-old child is a nephew of a BJP leader.
Yes, we will talk.
By generalizing it, they are justifying it.
Give us a chance
They don't want to talk about
We
it.
are not generalizing it. We'll be specific about it.
No.
I'll be specific about it.
Yeah. So tell me, why did 4-year-old? No. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Why was the house targeted? Why was the house of a BJP leader targeted? Please answer. I repeat the question. Right? And I will repeat it again and again. Sahil Bashir Bhatt, are you there? Sahil Bashir Bhatt, are you there? Just 1 second. Why was the house of a BJP leader targeted? No, 1 second. One by one. First of all, don't shout everyone. Don't shout everyone. Don't shout everyone. Ahmad Ayaz, calm down. I am asking you, first of all, viewers, there are no bleeding hearts. The father is drenched in blood. He is weeping. He says, "Mere bacche ko bacha lo." There are no bleeding hearts today. There is no protest by the self-appointed human rights lobby. In our country today, a 4-year-old child of a BJP leader has no human rights. Only Burhan Wani has human rights for these people. Sahil Bashir Bhatt, why don't you tell Sarfaraz Wani, why was the 4-year-old child killed? Let us deal with the real issue. Why was he killed, Sahil?
Can I come now?
What was his fault? Please.
See, Arnab, I would like to comment here.
Condemn this.
Yeah, the main problem.
First Sahil and then Sarfaraz. Yeah.
For the innocent people
First
in
Sahil
Kashmir,
and then Sarfaraz.
Jammu and Kashmir. So the real frustration behind this is obviously. Just because they were not able to propagate, they were not able to apprise the terrorism again, like in 90s or in after 90s or before 90s, we can say, where everybody, they showed a dream of azadi, they showed a dream of jihad, wherein we can say after that azadi, we couldn't find, Jammu and Kashmir couldn't find even the A of that azadi from last 32 years. And even the actual freedom, which we call a freedom, was snatched from us by these terrorists. Now again, if anybody who is against this terrorism, against this propaganda, along with this PAGD, I must tell you, who has ruled for 70 years in the Jammu and Kashmir, who have given fire to this terrorism for these 70 years. They are responsible for that. Pakistan is responsible for that. I will not call it jihad. I will call it jahalat. Just because the person who picks the gun in Pakistan is a terrorist.
I think this was a targeted killing.
He crosses the line.
No, this was a targeted killing. Barnali and Syed Fasal.
Of course.
Barnali and Syed Fasal Kashani. No. It was, in my view, Barnali. It was a targeted killing of a 4-year-old. The terrorists knew that there is a small child in the house. They wanted to target the family. They wanted to kill a 4-year-old. And the unfortunate part is all these people like Kashani today, Barnali, they will all generalize. Sarfaraz will generalize. He will not say, he doesn't have the courage to say, yes, the terrorists decided to kill a 4-year-old child because they wanted to teach the BJP leader a lesson.
First, Arnab, first, I inequivocally condemn this. This act is barbaric. I condemn this.
Just because
Number second, let's get the
BJP
facts
leader,
correct, Arnab.
and he's being
The
targeted.
facts, as you
It's
said,
very
that nobody has
unfortunate that
condemned
today
it.
in a country
Kashmir
a
is
4-year-old
a
child
selective.
has to pay
Let
the
me show you
price
some
for it.
tweets, Arnab,
Just
today.
because his
This is the
uncle
tweet
or
of Mahbooba
somebody
Mufti
is
on
into
this.
politics and he's
She
a
has
leader in
condemned
the
that act.
BJP.
Go through the tweet of Umar Abdullah.
It is very,
He has
very
condemned that act. So
unfortunate that there is no value for
let's
life.
discriminate, right?
And why should,
Everybody-
the question
everybody
is,
has
why should
condemned
a 4-year-old child be
no.
targeted at all?
Every
Had his
Kashmiri has
uncle
condemned
not been a BJP
Number
leader, he
second,
would not have been targeted.
Arnab, I am also saying let
today
heads
we are
roll.
No,
losing
Sarfraz,
lives
one
like
minute.
any
Sarfraz,
other.
1 minute.
Let heads roll.
No, 1
Is
minute.
there
Barnali
no
and
value for life in our
Sarfraz. Barnali and
country?
Sarfraz,
Is
pull
it
back
so
for a
I'm
minute.
also saying let heads
Pull
roll.
back for a minute.
Because
Barnali, 1 minute.
let's go through
Barnali,
the statement
Barnali,
of the
1 minute.
family.
Barnali, 1 minute. Barnali,
Arnab, can I
Barnali, 1
complete
minute.
first?
1 minute.
Let's go
1 minute.
through the
Sarfraz, I'm
statement
talking
of
to
the
you.
family.
Sarfraz,
Let's go to the statement
Sarfraz,
of
a
the
minute.
family.
A minute.
Okay.
A minute. A minute.
Okay.
A minute, please. A minute. You know the problem with you is, I'll tell you what the problem is. The problem you say, I must say, in a prepared statement, you come on television and you say, I must start by saying that I condemn the attack. But
Yes.
I will now tell you my political
question
view
my
of Kashmir
condemnation.
from my perspective.
You will-
I'm sorry
you
a
will
4-year-old
question my
died, but
condemnation also.
now I'll tell you one more thing.
will
You say
question my
Mehbooba
condemnation
Mufti. No, 1 minute. You said Mehbooba Mufti condemned
Yes.
it. Let me, viewers, tell you what Mehbooba Mufti's condemnation was. Let me tell you, Barnali. She says, very telegraphic kind of tweet, condemned the grenade attack in Rajouri, in which a 4-year-old child was killed, several others injured. My sympathies with their loved ones. Full stop. Kadam. That's it. No protest, no hitting the street, no mass agitation, no viral, nothing.
that's what
Was
I'm
there
saying.
anything more than this?
That's
Dr.
what I'm
Nirmal
saying.
Singh, aap mujhe bataiye.
Let heads
Was there
roll.
anything more than this? No.
Let's
I'll tell you the
hold
tweet.
people
Condemned the
accountable.
grenade attack in Rajouri in which a 4-year-old child was killed. My sympathies with their loved ones. Correct. Full stop. Khatam.
Arnab, let's.
You call that condemnation?
यही तो
Is this
tragedy
condemnation?
है।
A 4-year-old child dies and this is all you
यही
do?
तो tragedy है।
Kavinder is all.
ऐसे
No,
लोग
Dr.
जो यहाँ
Nirmal Singh is all.
चीफ
Dr. Nirmal Singh.
Family itself.
यहाँ जो चीफ मिनिस्टर रहे हैं उनका ये एटीट्यूड है, पाकिस्तान की बात करते हैं, पाकिस्तान को वो इंकरेज करते हैं इस प्रकार की एक्टिविटीज करने के लिए।
They have alleged in their statement.
महबूबा मुफ्ती का ये कहना, ये पार्ट टू पाकिस्तान, it amounts to encouraging the terrorists, it amounts to encouraging Pakistan to do acts like this. This is condemnable. She was the chief minister of Jammu and
Sajjad
Kashmir.
Hussain Kargili.
It's our duty to speak for the rights of human rights of the Hindus, the children, the ladies, the people of Jammu and Kashmir. But they will never do it because they are into politics. They are for their agenda only.
Sajjad Hussain Kargili, Anand.
This is our unfortunate part. This is condemnable. They are encouraging such tendencies.
Please tell me, have you condemned it? Have you condemned it? What you did? What you did? Have you issued any statement? What you did? Why you not hit into the street? Why didn't you protest it? Why didn't you condemn it? Don't blame, don't play the blame game. Don't play the politics with this cold-blooded murder. Don't play politics of this cold-blooded murder.
Pakistan, such elements who are under debate, when they are encouraging such elements, the people of Rajouri, Hindus, Muslims,
What is it? You are deputy minister. You are deputy minister.
protecting from the rights of the human rights of the people.
From India. You have freed
This is unfortunate. These people, they are the overgrown workers
who
of
sent
Pakistan.
to Afghanistan.
They are the overgrown workers.
But
They are lending to such elements and they are the overgrown workers. They are lending
because of your
through their
political failure.
This is unfortunate. This is condemnable.
Policy failure, political failure of your government.
India is not going to tolerate this. The people of India are not going to tolerate this.
You are responsible for these killings.
Because the
Sajjad
peace is
Hussain.
according to Kashmir.
Sajjad
The peace is
Hussain.
according to Jammu.
Sajjad
It's
Hussain.
not-
Sajjad Hussain.
You have freed.
Sajjad Hussain, please hear me, Arnab here. Tell me, Tell me.
No, where from the
Sajjad Hussain.
ammunition is coming?
I'll tell you why there is no
Arnab, where
outrage.
from this
I'll tell you
launcher has
today,
come?
Sajjad. Sajjad, I'll tell you. I'll tell you. Ahmad Ayaz, 1 minute. Ahmad Ayaz, I'll tell you why there is no outrage. You want me to tell you why you people are quiet over the killing of a 4-year-old? Because, and you can debate this with Nalin.
Nobody is quiet.
This 4-year-old
Nobody
is the
quiet.
nephew
We are
of a
bleeding,
person.
let me tell you.
This
We are
4-year-old
bleeding.
is the nephew
We
of
are
a
bleeding.
person who is working for a party which believed in the abrogation of Article 370 and 35A.
What happened
That is the 4-year-old's fault.
What happened the other day in Khania?
This is a family of
When there were
nationalists
grenade
who are not
attacks, when
afraid
there
to
were,
say Bharat Mata ki jai.
blasts. It
This is
not
a family
question
of
a BJP
nationalists
man.
who are not
I
afraid
must-
to say
I will
Bharat
treat it
Mata ki jai.
As a citizen of Jammu and Kashmir.
Because this 4-year-old's
Don't
family
you media always
says Bharat
responsible.
Mata ki
You are
jai.
always
That's why
saying things are
the
normal.
4-year-old has been
You never
killed.
allow things to settle.
1 minute.
You tell me,
Just
Arnab,
1 minute.
Arnab, you
Where
tell
is your
me.
outrage
It is
today?
not a question of simply
How many
somebody lecturing.
BJP
It is a
leaders and their
question of
family
people
members
are
have been
carrying
targeted,
arms.
Ahmad Ayaz?
People are carrying now launcher.
Why was the 4-year-old killed?
launchers. Where from these
Why was the
launchers
4?
have
Don't
come?
give me a lecture.
Where
There's
from
not a
this
word. There's not a
ammunition
word
has
from
come?
you today. You people, you are the people. You are the people.
politician
Kashani is
of
the
today.
person.
Arnab,
Kashani
you
is
are
the
the
person who
person.
condemns the hanging of
Arnab,
Afzal
you
Guru
told
viewers.
that everything is normal in
Kashani,
Kashmir.
you are the person.
You are the person
You are
as
the
media
person.
Come
Did you
on.
not
As a
condemn the
media
hanging of Afzal Guru?
channel. You told
Did you
that
not
everything
condemn
is
the
normal.
hanging of Afzal Guru?
There is
No, we
nothing
didn't.
normal.
Did you or did you not?
Didn't. Listen.
You're silent
I
on the
am telling you,
killing of a
BJP
4-year-old
is
boy.
responsible. BJP
Kashani
is
and Barnali will
responsible
debate.
for killing a 4-year-old. BJP is responsible. I am telling you, BJP is responsible for the killing. I am telling you, BJP is responsible for the killing because they failed to bring back. They failed to curb the terrorism. And if they fail to curb the terrorism, they failed to provide security to the mainstream political leaders. And that is why BJP is responsible for this killing. They should have some shame. They should have some shame to claim the normalcy in Kashmir. They should have some shame to claim the decrease in terrorist attacks. It is BJP in power.
That is the real truth. That is the agenda.
So it is your responsibility.
That is the agenda, Mr. Goswami. It is the BJP to blame for a false narrative. That's the agenda. Stand with the terrorists so that one terrorist will go and kill a Hindu, will kill a child of a BJP leader, and then say BJP has failed. It is to try and show that there is a failure when none exists. You are the persons who are responsible for inhuman activity of terrorism increasing, sir, because you never criticize the terrorists. You don't have guts.
Nalin Ahmad Ayaz.
दिया होता आप में दम होता तो टेररिस्ट के खिलाफ खड़े होते बीजेपी के नहीं. You have to say that terrorism is against Islam. Terrorism is against humanity. Terrorism is something we will not tolerate as human beings. But you won't say that BJP को दोष दीजिए, नरेंद्र मोदी जी को दोष दीजिए, यही है. क्योंकि आपकी दुकान उसी से चलती है. You can't stand against the terrorists because you yourself have a soft corner if you are not able to stand against it. If you had the guts, you would stand against terrorism. You would say this is it. That is it. You will say talk to Pakistan. You will talk to the perpetrators of terrorism. No, because these poor fellows may have a narrative. We must support that narrative. That's it.
And others you will want to face the population.
Inhuman. You must take the responsibility of not having a
You are
inch of
responsible number one.
humanity in you.
You are responsible number one.
You need to take
Who is
that
allowing all this to
responsibility.
happen in Jammu and Kashmir? You are responsible number one. You have to be responsible for it because this you have allowed to happen all in the Jammu and
You're
Kashmir.
trying to.
We have been always telling things are not normal. What are you doing? What are you been doing?
Ahmad Ayaz. Ahmad Ayaz.
You are responsible because you are
Ahmad Ayaz. 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Nalin 1 minute.
Yeah, tell me, Arnab.
Nalin 1 minute. Nalin 1 minute. Nalin 1 minute. Ahmad Ayaz, I will tell you something and then you respond. I'll tell you something. Now you will have to listen to me and then respond, okay? Okay? See, I know that today, heart of heart, you are unable to come to terms with what these terrorists have done. Wait a minute, don't interrupt. You have no argument. You don't like the fact. You don't like the fact that you came on Arnab's program on the killing of a 4-year-old because you have no defense. You are thinking, how do I avoid this issue of the killing of a 4-year-old and make it the standard debate on the situation in Kashmir? That is what Dr. Nirmal Singh Ahmed Ayaz wants to do. You want me to tell you the truth today. Today, I am showing you the mirror. You are the people. And don't interrupt me. If you have any guts, listen to me, okay? Ahmed, Sarfaraz, Sajjad, Syed Fasal Kashani, if you have the guts, listen to me today.
Arnab,
you are the
now.
people
Arnab,
who amplified. No, 1 minute now. Now see, there you become nervous. I'll tell you the truth. People want to hear me, not you now. You are the people. You are the people. You are the people. Now don't do this. You know, people, don't do this. Don't do this. I don't know how after behaving like this you'll sleep well tonight. You are the people who actually condemned the hanging of Afzal Guru. You condemn the hanging of Afzal Guru, but you are quiet on the killing of a 4-year-old child. You supported Burhan Wani.
You are not being specific.
You called Burhan Wani's neutralization extrajudicial killing. All of you, all of you, all of you. Dr. Nirmal Singh, all of them. I am not generalizing. You were trying to.
You are happy. Because the other day you were telling
Dr. Nirmal Singh. Audio not clear. Dr. Nirmal Singh. Dr. Nirmal Singh.
ये लोग ऐसे लोग ओवरग्राउंड वर्कर्स का काम करते हैं, ओवरग्राउंड वर्कर्स का काम करते हैं. ये आइडियोलॉजिकल जो स्कोप देते हैं ऐसे एलिमेंट्स को, पाकिस्तान को स्कोप करते हैं, टेररिस्ट को स्कोप करते हैं, और लेकिन एक हिंदू बच्चा मारा जाता है तो इनके मुंह में शब्द नहीं है. हाँ, दिस इज द अनफॉर्चुनेट पार्ट. And these people, they are eating in India. They are enjoying the parts of the Indian state. But they don't. They will always go Pakistan. This is the problem. This is the problem.
Kashmiri becomes a sufferer. Kashmiri is suffering. Kashmiri is becoming a victim. A 4-year-old child, and you are enjoying there in Jammu. Somebody enjoying in Delhi. And what is your strategy? What is your strategy? You have abrogated 370 for your political convenience. You have not done it for the convenience of the Jammu and Kashmir. You have not abrogated Article 370 for the interest of the Jammu and Kashmir.
Can I come in, sir? I want to come in.
No, they were quiet.
Enough of victimhood.
No, 1 second. 1 second. 1 second, Lalit. Lalit, 1 minute. Lalit, 1 minute. Lalit, 1 minute. Lalit, 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. जो हिम्मत नहीं है तो बोल दें. 1 second. See, I'll tell you one thing. Mr. Kargili, आप बहुत चिल्ला रहे हैं, बहुत बोल रहे हैं, सजाद हुसैन कारगिल. But if I tell you, you are the people, आज तो I'll say it to you on your face. But you will have to have the courage. I'll say it to you on your face today. Okay? Don't interrupt me when I'm telling you. You people, when the daughter of a Jammu and Kashmir policeman was also killed, 22-year-old young lady was killed. It happened in June. You people were quiet. Now 4-year-old child, nephew of a BJP leader is killed. You people are quiet. That's the reality about you. You are the same people. You must understand. You must, 1 minute now, I will tell you more. And I'll say it to you on your face today. You were silent on the killing of Ajay Pandita. You were silent on the brutal killing of a BJP Kisan Morcha President Ghulam Rasool Dar. You were silent on Ishrat Munar's killing. You were silent on Ayub Pandit's killing. You are the silent brigade. You are the silent brigade. You decide. You are the silent brigade.
No, they are questioning to PhD for this killing. They are not asking to the government why they have failed to provide security. Why they were saying that after abrogation everything will be fine.
Security, all right. Lalit, who's coming in?
Now they have failed.
Arnab.
They have failed.
Arnab.
They have failed to provide security.
Arnab, this is me. Listen. Look at these apologists. Look at these apologists on your channel today. Except for what about nothing. Not a word against Pakistan. Not a word against jihadi stooges of Pakistan operating in Kashmir, whether they are Pakistanis or local jihadis. And about this guy who says it's a political problem, my fault.
Jihadis were freed by
Genocide of 3.5 lakh Kashmiri Pandits was a political problem. Was a political problem. And lynching of DSP Ayub Pandit in the precincts of Jama Masjid was a political problem. Killing of Lieutenant Fayad was a political problem. Listen, it's a jihad, understand. They don't even spare Muslims because they decide who's a Muslim. Any Muslim having any association with India is declared as a kafir. You guys are promoting them. You are not only apologists, you are collaborators. You are collaborators. You are collaborators. Listen, the people of Ladakh and people of Jammu have resisted these jihadis elements. But you people are stooges. You are subversives, facilitating their entry into Ladakh as well as Jammu. But listen, people of Jammu, because of people like you, what military persuasion? Oh, listen.
Barnali Pasag, last word,
Barnali.
Did you notice Barnali? Not once did they take a position. Not once, Barnali.
I mean,
not once. They shifted the blame. They didn't take a position.
It is very easy to blame the political party that BJP should be responsible. It is very easy to blame any political party that BJP has not provided security, and today BJP is supposed to be blamed because they are responsible. But nobody is talking about the killing of the 4-year-old child. Nobody wants to raise voice against terrorism. Are you actually supporting terrorism? Nobody is talking about that. I mean, shouldn't we collectively raise our voices against terrorism? A young child has lost his life. Why should he be victimized?
Umar Abdullah Sahib is condemned.
And viewers, and viewers, ladies and gentlemen, after an 18-hour operation, terrorists in Kulgam have been neutralized. Major attack has been averted ahead of Independence Day. But why won't Pakistan take back the body of their own person, their own terrorist, their own citizen who they infiltrated onto our soil back? Debate number 2 after the break.